over there, right?
Yeah, right over there.
Okay.
There we are.
Well, welcome to week 4, students.
Hi, students.
Talking about producing energy, a very hot topic. Looking at alternative energy, the price we pay as a society for coal as one of our major energy sources in this country. And I've included a song by the Dubliners that talks about a coal mining disaster. And the discussion question this week that we'd like you to focus on is about not the disaster itself of the scenario you're going to read about, but what are the opportunities that we can gain from a disaster to lead us to better prepare and to help those individuals so that we can prevent further disasters. So when I use the word, and Bill, in our discussion questions about opportunities, we're simply wanting you to identify what are the strengths, what are the takeaway lessons from such a disaster, because we continue to learn all the time after a disastrous event, right, Bill?
Yes, we do.
And
yes,
Bill has had much more first-hand experience than I have with disasters.
That's been my wheelhouse for a few decades.
Exactly. And I just want to point out the quote at the beginning of the week 4. Martin Luther King said, "We're faced with the fact that tomorrow is today." And so we need to keep that in mind in terms of moving forward related to that. And the case study this week is on from Unnatural Causes. It's a 30-minute video about collateral damage. You have discussion questions that you'll respond to. And it's going to demonstrate the significance of the impact on the health of populations following human error miscalculation. So, Bill, would you like to add anything?
Just very much enjoying the class. The dynamic interaction is amazing in my section. I hope it is with yours as well. And I would just make a comment about last week's discussion on the PBDEs. Was terrific. It was just one marker of the discussion, but as it went, people came in some instances and had a set, this is absolutely right or this is absolutely wrong, but in the various perspectives that were given by the whole class in the dialogues, everybody began, I think, to migrate and mature in an understanding of how complex it is. There aren't any real rights or wrongs, and that one example isn't something that's just isolated or unusual. It's the world we live in totally, and the complexities of analyzing relative risks and benefits when you consider all the factors was just amazing, and I think the class went to that really wonderfully in the dialogue that happened in our section, so I thought it was wonderful there.
And I would echo that for our section as well. So we want to thank all of you for the good work and to carry on. And we look forward to talking about energy.
Terrific.
Thanks.